Hey, it's Norbert here, and in this video today, I'm just going to walk you through a really simple process to start generating leads and building a custom audience inside of Facebook. This is one of the big benefits of using a system like MLSP, My Lead System Pro, because there's a lot of lead magnets that you can just copy and paste and start using right away to start building your email list, generating leads, building custom audiences, and really getting your business growing in a very, very simple way. So this is something that you can do right now. So I'm just going to actually walk you through this process that I'm doing right now to start generating some leads. So every single week, MLSP does a webinar, training webinar, and it's free to the public. And there's pages that are set up that you can promote to promote the webinar. And build your email list and get leads, and also it has some advanced features to be able to build your custom audience as well. Now there's lots of different websites. If you look under my websites in the MLSP system campaigns, these are all different websites that you can use to generate leads with and actually build your own email list. All right, and then there's MLSP profit campaigns, product campaigns to sell different products, make 100% commissions on some products. If you're an MLSP Mastery member, lots of different benefits. I'm not going to get into all of that right now. What we're going to do is we're just going to promote the upcoming Wednesday webinar. And you can see here, this is the page right here, the registration page. And there's Brian Finale. Mark Harbert's going to be the guest. Mark's generated 47,000 leads. He's made over $500,000 in commissions. And he's going to show you how to instantly get more traffic, leads, conversions, and signups from any lead source. Pretty powerful webinar. This is free content, free webinar that people can subscribe to, and you can use this webinar and this page to actually build your own email list, get people registered, promote MLSP, earn commissions with MLSP, and build your email list all at the same time. And all you have to do is grab this link and promote it. Let me walk you through this process here, because I want to show you all the a few of the different features with it. I'm not going to show you all of it. There's lots of other things we can do with it once you get more advanced. You click on this link here, and you're going to see this is the link to the capture page. This is the link to the thank you page. So once they register, they're going to go to this page right here. So right after they register, they land on this page, put in their name, their email address, then they land on this page right here, which says watch your free marketing training, which basically says, hey, you're registered, make sure you check your email for the link, save it in your calendar, blah, blah, blah. And the cool thing here is that I'm actually getting this to go right into my email autoresponder. So this link here, this third link, you can set up the settings for this campaign. So you can have it just go to a default autoresponder if you don't have one set up, but you can actually set this up to go into your Aweber or GetResponse. I'm just going to leave all of this the same, and this is where you're going to put your Facebook tracking pixels, your conversion pixels, and we're going to do that in 1 second here as well. And then we can send this out to our email list and send it out to Facebook as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is integrate my autoresponder, and I've actually set up a list inside of Aweber. I've set up a brand new list, MLSP latest webinar, and I've got one follow-up email message in there. And this message just basically says, hey, thanks for registering. You're going to get an email. Check your email. You're going to receive an email from Webinars on Air with your unique attendee link, blah, blah, blah. And then I can promote MLSP, or I can promote anything I want in the bottom of this email as well. Okay, so I've got that list created. What I'm going to do is inside of MLSP, I'm going to head on over to my account, my autoresponders. Let's go to my autoresponders. I'm going to add a new autoresponder. This is going to be MLSP weekly webinars, and that's Aweber. And the unique ID for this is under list settings, I believe. There it is. There's my unique ID. Copy that. Oh, I'm going to make sure confirmed opt-in is off. Okay, I don't need double opt-in on this. Okay, make sure that's off. It is. All right, so I'm going to take that unique ID, just paste it in here and add new autoresponder. Okay, there we go. That autoresponder is added. Now I can go back to my system campaigns. And here we go. There's the upcoming webinar one. So let me now check There it is, MLSP weekly webinars. Okay, so there we go. Now all those leads are going to go into my Aweber list. I'm just going to request the lead name. I don't need phone number and I don't need Skype. I don't need that stuff. All right, the next thing is let's get the Facebook conversion code here. So I'll go to my Facebook Business Manager. We go to my ads manager. Under tools, we click on audiences, and I'm going to create a new audience, a new custom audience from website traffic. Let's change this to 180 days. Anyone who visits, people who visit specific web pages. URL contains. So it's basically what I want to do is I'm going to track anyone who clicks on my ad and goes to the page. Okay, now I can track all the people that registered for the webinar, but I want to build as big a custom audience right now. I'm going to guess that you're getting started. So anyone that's interested in the ad, clicks on the ad, lands on the page, whether they register or not, they're going to be added to my custom audience on Facebook. Okay, so anybody that visits this page, right? So they're obviously interested in generating leads for their online business, right? Anybody that visits this page, they're going to be added to my Facebook custom audience. And then I can, as I build up that audience, every single week promoting the webinars, okay, then I can start to advertise specifically to that custom audience anything else that I want on Facebook, right? So there'll be a very, very targeted audience. So the URL is right here, njo.weeklymarketingwebinars.org. There we go. Okay, 180 days. And the audience name is MLSP Weekly Webinars. And create audience. Thank you. There it is right here. So now I'm going to select that and I'm going to get the pixel code. Action, view pixel. There's my pixel code. I'll grab that. I'm going to press copy, close that out. I'm going to go back to my MLSP campaign here. I'm going to delete this. I don't need that in there. Website tracking pixel. So I'm going to put this right here. This tracking pixel will be placed on all of the website pages for this campaign. Right, so that's where I want it. If I just want to target the registrants, the people who actually registered, I would put it here. This is what tracks lead conversion. All right, I'm just going to put this custom tracking pixel here. Website tracking pixel. All right, so we've got our autoresponder set up. We've got our tracking pixel set up. We've got our first email message going out. Everything should be good. So we should be able to now promote it. So let's go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna click this link. I'm just going to put my name and email address in here.
Congratulations, you have successfully registered.
All right, so we've registered. So now we're going to check to make sure that the email is coming in. All right, so that's awesome. You can see my email came in and the webinars on air email came in as well with the webinar link. So that is awesome. And you can see here that the lead was now added right here to my email autoresponder. And you can also see for my audience, my MLSP Weekly Webinars audience, we can see now that the status is active. So it's tracking, and we're gonna get audience stats here as well. Perfect. So everything is working. I'm now generating leads. So what we want to do is go ahead and create an ad, and that's it. I'm going to be generating leads and building my custom audience in just a matter of minutes.